The Lion and the Hare. In a dense forest, there lived a notorious lion who killed many animals every day. One day, all the animals gathered under a big banyan tree for the meeting. They came up with an idea and went to meet the lion. The animals said, "Please stop hunting. We will send you an animal every day." The lion agreed happily. One animal was sent to him for his meal every day. Months rolled on. One day, it was the turn of a hare. The hare made a plan and took a little longer to reach the lion. The lion was angry. He asked the hare why he was so late. The hare said, "While coming, a lion jumped out from a ditch and started chasing me. I just escaped," he added. "Another lion in the jungle? Show me. I will finish him right now," the lion roared. The hare took him to a well. The lion peeped in and saw his own shadow in the water. He thought it to be another lion. Roaring, he jumped into the well to kill his own shadow. The foolish lion got drowned. All the animals celebrated the occasion. Moral of the story: wisdom can win over might.